Hey there, and welcome to Kirkland's. I'm Woody, this is Amy, and we're here to talk to you about our newest tabletop collection. We're calling it Simple Things.
Our vision behind the collection was really modern farmhouse style, and what you'll see on the table today is our stoneware dinnerware collection. Each comes with a dinnerware piece, a salad plate, a bowl, and a mug. We're offering them in a couple of colors. We have this great white speckle finish that's personally my favorite, and then a gray finish as well that you can accent with.
We also decided that if we're going to do the dinnerware, why not do all the pieces that go around it? So we've got beautiful placemats, napkins, flatware, and glassware. It's a perfectly curated program, all at the same price, super quality, and what we wanted to bring to you was just great value.
Each piece is $6, so you can mix and match this however you want to. All of the pieces are dishwasher safe, super durable. It's what you would find in your everyday sort of casual kitchen. This whole assortment is super easy for you to style together at a great value price point.
We're really excited about this collection, and we hope you are too, so come on in.